Philippe and Don Bell! Now we are joined by our close-up ambassadors, Philippe and Don Bell! So now let us open the floor for our media interview with Don Bell and Philippe. Okay, so kung kanina pinakilig tayo ni Philippe and Don Bell with their amazing smile, ngayon mas kikiligin pa tayo sa kanila because we are going to get up close and personal with them. And with that, we now open the floor to our media friends na nandito po ngayon. Alright, so have a seat sa ating ambassadors. Madam Bell, upo tayo. Okay.
Madam?
Sobrang kanina ma'am, ngayon atin naging madam. Okay. So, ngayon dito tayo sa ating media friends. Alright. Our first question is from our friends from Tribune. Nasaan po si Sir PJ? Sir PJ, kamusta po kayo, Sir PJ? Where is Sir PJ? Hey.
Hi. Hello?
Ayun.
Hola, I'm here.
Okay.
Hello? Okay. Hi.
Ayun. Okay.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much sa lahat ng ating fans. Mag-Q&A muna tayo. Okay, madam.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations kay Philippe, of course, kay Donnie and Belle. Congratulations for moving closer. Okay, so first and foremost, my question is, tell us about your partner, Donnie and Belle. Is he or she more of intense red or fresh green kind of person?
For context, Sir Philippe, kasi sa close-up, yung intense red, yun daw yung talagang all-out magmahal. Tapos yung cool green, yun yung parang chill lang, cool lang. So ano daw yung XP mo with Don Bell? Ano kaya yung nakikita mo? Is it intense red or cool green? Tama po?
My question is for Don Bell and also
For Don Bell muna. Okay,
Philippe na
for
rin.
Don Bell muna. Okay.
Intense
Intense
red
red
Or
ba?
cool green.
or cool green.
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, sakto sa suit natin?
Parang both eh.
Both?
Yeah.
So bakit naging both?
Mix ng minsan kailangan...
Being intense and cool at the same time.
Oo, ganun.
Yeah. Diba?
Dapat may qualities ka ng both.
Okay, so totoo ba yun, Sir Philippe? Is that true?
Sa napansin ko sa kanila? Or para sa akin ba? Pag ako kasi chill lang ako eh, so I think cool green. Cool green. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, PJ. And now let's hear it from our friend from ABS-CBN. Nandito po si Sir Josh. Sir Josh?
Hi.
Okay, hi, Sir Josh.
Hi, good afternoon. Question for Don Bell. This is not your first partnership with Close Up. What keeps the two of you coming back to collaborate with the brand?
Collaborating. Yeah, we've done a couple of projects now with Close Up, even projects abroad, diba? I think what we love about the brand is that they always find ways to come up with something new. Like itong ginawa naming music video na to. First time natin gumawa ng music video na may choices. Tapos di mo alam kung ano mangyayari.
Yes.
Diba? Parang yung audience yung pipili ng next na setup. So, what we love about this partnership, it's always fresh. There's always something new that it has to offer. And we just love the team as well.
Yeah, and for me, I think it's really important that we both endorse a brand we believe in. And me talaga growing up, I really used to use Close Up, and I'm so happy to be able to be part of their family, of course. And closer to everyone here, so yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Josh. Okay, sino po ang may questions for our ambassadors? Andyan po ang ating microphone, I think. We have our friend from Inquirer. Nasaan po si Miss Jessica? Hi, Miss Jessica.
Hi, first of all po, congratulations po to the three of you. My question po for Don Bell. What's the difference po between filming a music video and filming a scene in a movie po?
Wow. Ano?
Parang almost the same, no?
Siguro yung pace lang. Pace ng story. Kasi pag movie, di ba, mas longer. Pag music video, talagang every moment counts. So, wow, closer. But yeah, I think that's the difference. But the emotions are there. Siyempre, it has to be authentic and raw.
Tsaka itong music video, parang walang dialogue eh. So you really have to express it through your actions and yung mga emotions na pinapakita. Unlike sa movie, di ba? Ang daming dialogue and you get to hear what the actors are saying. So, same but different.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Jessica. Now let's hear it from our friends from Manila Standard. We have Eccentric. Nasaan po? Ayun. Hello, madam.
Sorry, it's Angelica po. Hello po from Manila Standard. Hi, Philip and Donda. Congratulations. My question will be for Philip. Okay. Di ba, like, you did a cover for Warner Music's 30th anniversary of Moving Closer. Now that you're an ambassador, how does it feel?
Of course po, this is new to me. Pero yung jazz kasi na type na music is what I listen since I was a kid. So, ayun po, but I'm so, sobrang na-challenge ako kasi first time ko kasi maglabas ng ganitong type of music. And medyo may pagka-sexy siya na, na vibe. So, I just felt like bagay na bagay talaga siya, lalo na paparating yung Valentine's Day, di ba? So, yeah, I just wanna thank, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung Close Up for this song din. Binigyan nila ng bagong buhay yung nakaraang version ng Moving Closer. So, yeah.
Thank you. You did a great job.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica. Thank you so much. And now, si Eccentric. Nasaan po si Eccentric? I think may question po siya for our ambassadors.
Hello, congratulations for the three of you. So this question is for Philip. So this is your first work with Close Up and Don Bell. How was the experience?
Masaya po. Meeting din finally, especially si Belle. Kasi magkakilala na kami ni Donnie dati pa lang eh. So masaya ako and of course, andito rin yung mga fans ng Don Bell. So ayun po, malaki po yung pasasalamat ko sa support nila. And malaki din po pasalamat ko for Don Bell for this event and especially for Close Up, for having me here to be part of the family. So I'm just so happy and yeah.
All right, thank you, Eccentric, and thank you so much to our media friends who never fail to support us at sa Close Up Friends or Fans and hashtag Team Bahay na nanonood. Please don't forget to use our official hashtags, hashtag Choose Fresh, Choose Close Up, hashtag Moving Closer, hashtag Close Up X Don Bell, and hashtag Close Up X Philippe para updated ang ating online friends sa mga kilig moments with Don Bell and Philippe. And syempre, speaking of kilig, once again, handa na ba kayong kiligin for our final game? Okay, so sa final game natin, tatawagin natin tong Close Up Minded. So, invite natin ang ating ambassadors.
Yep.
Kayong tatlo ang maglalaro for today. Ang game natin ay Close Up Minded. So, paano nga ba lalaruin tong game na to? Sobrang simple lang. Ang kailangan lang gawin ng partners, ipasok natin yung makaka-partner ng ating mga ambassadors. Go to your partners. Sige, sino yung partner nila? Lapitan nyo na yung mga partners nyo. Alright. Okay, so ito ang pair 1, pair 2, and pair 3. So guys, makinig. Napakadali lang ng gagawin natin. So, kayong mag-partners ay magtatalikuran. So, sample natin. Magkatalikod kayo.
Yeah.
Magkatalikod kayo. Tapos, magsasabi lang ako ng category. Pag sinabi kong 1, 2, 3, go, haharap kayo sa kapartner nyo, tapos sasagutin nyo kung ano yung on top of your mind. Wow, ang OA ng on top of your mind. Example lang, okay. Start tayo dito. Sample pa lang to. Magbigay ng love language.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Love language. Kahit
love
anong love
So,
language.
lahat-
Sabay kayo, ah.
Lahat kami sasagot same time?
Isa-isa po. Isa-isa.
isa-isa.
Okay. So kayo muna, ate, ha? Kunwari,
Okay.
magbigay ng love language in 1, 2, 3, go! Physical touch. Tama. Sample. Physical
Sorry, dapat
touch.
para may sasabihin
Sinampol.
ako.
Sinampol. Okay, ganon
Okay.
Ganon.
Got it.
Sample number 2
Okay,
tayo.
okay.
Sample pa lang. Sample. Magbigay
Sorry,
ng kulay sa rainbow in 1, 2, 3, go!
Red.
One. Okay. Dito naman tayo. Sige. Magbigay ng number sa electric fan. 1, 2, 3, go!
3!
Yan! Okay, so malinaw na po ang gagawin natin. For this game, elimination round tayo. So, elimination sabi ni Direk. So, pag nagkamali, legwak na agad. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Isang buhay lang?
Oo.
Ang daya naman.
Pero kung halimbawang lahat daw magaling, tuloy-tuloy lang ng tuloy-tuloy.
Kung lahat kami wala.
Sabi ng kasama ko, magaling daw siya eh.
Magaling daw siya. Ngayon, kapag lahat kayo wala, Miss Belle, uulit tayo hanggang sa may magkaroon ng champion. Okay.
Okay. Game.
Okay, umpisahan natin sa pair number 1, Sir Felipe. Are you ready? What's your name?
Ready na kami.
Dayan Camille.
Si Bea? Bian Camille?
Dayan Camille.
Dayan Camille. Okay. Dayan and Felipe, talikuran tayo.
Okay.
Sabay kayo ha, magsasalita pag sinabi kong go ha. Okay. Magbigay ng kulay ng close-up. 1, 2, wala pa. Okay. Magbigay ng kulay ng close-up in 1, 2, 3, go!
Red!
1 point! Okay, pasok pa rin sila. Good job! Palakpakan niyo naman si Sir Felipe. Okay. Miss Belle, sino ang partner natin?
Hazel po.
Si Gazel. Okay, Belle and Gazel. Okay, talikuran tayo.
Bubulong ko sa'yo, ha?
Oo. Magbigay ng sahog sa halo-halo. Sahog sa halo-halo.
Ang hirap lang sa amin.
Nautusan lang ako. Okay.
Ang
Isip
hirap
kayo,
ng
sige.
amin.
Magbigay ng sahog sa halo-halo in 1, 2, 3, go!
Natatin ko.
Ano sabi mo?
Ube!
Ube and Nata de Coco, okay lang yan. Okay. So, tanggal na po sa round na to sila, Belle. It's okay. It's okay. Banding muna sila dyan.
Ang
Okay.
hirap nung amin.
Dito tayo sa pair number 3.
Okay,
Kapag
Melissa.
nagka-point po sila, 1v1. Okay. Donnie, sino po partner ni Donnie? Melissa, okay. Melissa and Donnie. Makikita sa kusina. Mag-isip ng makikita sa kusina. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kuchilyo!
Mali din sila, Donnie. So, ang champion natin, Team Felipe! Pero again, dahil nasa close-up tayo, everybody wins! Congratulations sa lahat ng players natin! Let's have a quick photo op. Congratulations to Team Felipe, pero congratulations sa lahat ng naglaro. All right. Let us all smile. All right. Thank you so much to our players. Maraming salamat. Iba rin talaga yung challengers natin ngayon, di ba? Talagang hindi sila magpapatalo. Guys, palakpakan natin Don Bell, Felipe, and our Gen Z, our close-up friends. Alright, and speaking of hindi magpapatalo, thank you so much sa ating players. Okay, eto dito tayo. Speaking of hindi papatalo, thank you so much, ate ko. Thank you so much. Okay. Panalong-panalo ang close-up friends natin na nag-register kanina. Sino yung mga nag-register dito? Ayun, ang dami nating nag-register. At nakakuha ng posters dahil we already have our winners. Ang mga winners natin ay magkakaroon ng chance to meet and greet our close-up ambassadors. Okay, our winner number 1. Generos Lakindanom. Hello, Generos. Congratulations. Si Generos ay Team Donnie. Team Donnie daw siya. Hi! Let's have a quick photo op with our close-up ambassadors. Smile! Everybody join the photo! All right, thank you. Our next winner. Okay, our next winner is Alunan Junis Adrian. Where is Junis Adrian? Congratulations. All right, winner number 3 is Berlin Kayanan. All right, next winner is Catherine Joy De Leon.
When I have you right beside me, you take the whole wide world with your sweet, sweet charm. As you hold me close and don't let go, I'll be home.
Last but definitely not the least, we have Grace Bautista. Thank you and congratulations once again to all our winners. Ngayon, mag-selfie naman tayo with the audience.
Game, pwede ba tayo mag-group selfie, guys?
Yes!
Hindi ko abot. Hindi ko abot.
O, sige, ako na lang.
Thank you.
Game.
Smile po tayong lahat!
Smile! Isa pa, isa pa. O, pagbilang ng 3, sabihin nyo close up, ha?
Yan!
1, 2, 3!
Close up! Alright! Guys, palakpakan natin once again, Don Bell, Felipe, and our Generation Close-Up friends. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to use our official hashtags. Hashtag Choose Fresh, Choose Close-Up, hashtag Moving Closer, hashtag Close-Up X Don Bell, and hashtag Close-Up X Felipe. And kanina nga kinilig na tayo sa games, diba? Pero mas papakiligin pa tayo ngayon sa next segment natin dahil ito na yung pinakahinihintay nyo. Ito na yon. So after weeks of voting, you guys had the power to choose your Close-Up's first ever interactive music video. Sino dito yung naalala na ano? May question doon na magmamature roles na ba si Donnie? Ngayon natin malalaman, I know nag-vote kayong lahat, and dahil na-complete na natin ang botohan, complete na rin ang mga kilig scenes natin. So to our ambassadors, dito tayo. Dito tayo, sabay-sabay nating panoorin. Market! Market! Are you ready to watch our official Moving Closer MV? Hindi ko pa kayo marinig. Are you guys ready? Alright, let us all watch Close-Up Moving Closer official music video starring Donnie, Bell, and Felipe.
you smile, everything's in place. I've waited for so long, can make no mistake. All I am reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make a move. We'll be young, come and wait with me. Keep me close, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Who'd have thought that I'd breathe the air, spin around your atmosphere? Hold my breath, falling into you. Break my fall, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. Feels like a fresh new start. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you.
Mars, I met someone. I'll let you know later. Tawagan kita ulit.
The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to
Alright! Grabe, sobrang intense ng kilig. Sobrang intense ng kilig. Sino dito yung mga kinilig? Diba? Nagtatrabaho na lang talaga ako, nasasaktan pa ako dito. Yan talaga ang nagagawa ng Close-Up. You are not only provided with all-day freshness, but you are also provided with antibacterial zinc that fights bacteria causing bad breath. Kaya naman, sa official music video kanina, intense na intense talaga ang closeness ng Don Bell, of course, through the power of Close-Up. And syempre, hindi rin makukumpleto ang intense kilig na music video ng Don Bell kung wala naman ang fresh and cool voice ng nag-iisang Felipe. Again, let us all give Don Bell, Felipe, and Close-Up a big round of applause. So ngayon naman, bababa ako sa mga fans. Bababa tayo sa mga fans para marinig natin yung thoughts nila sa music video, para marinig ng ambassadors natin. Sino dito yung mga kinilig? Eto, dito ko. May poster. Eto. What's your name?
Ana.
Ana. Ano yung na-feel mo habang pinapanood mo kanina yung official music video ng Close-Up sa Moving Closer?
Sobrang kilig! I love you, Donny Bell!
Naramdaman ko ang kilig niya. Okay. Ikaw naman, what's your name? Ate ko, pansinin mo ko. Ano yung name mo?
Andrea po.
Okay, Andrea, ano naman yung masasabi mo sa bagong rendition ni Felipe sa Moving Closer?
Ang ganda po ng version niya, tsaka ang kilig na doon. I love you, sister!
Naintindihan niyo yon? Okay, naintindihan nila yon. Sino pa pwede kong interviewin dito? Eto. Okay. Ikaw, what's your name?
She.
She? Okay, she. Kung kailangan mong mamili ng scene from the music video, ano naman yung favorite part mo?
Yung kumakanta si Philip!
Okay. Naniniwala ako sa'yo. Okay. Sino pa po pwedeng ma-interview? Okay, eto. What's your name?
Liz.
Liz, ano naman ang message mo for Don Bell and for Felipe? Unahin natin for Don Bell muna.
Bel, totohanin niyo na yan!
Okay. Felipe, kay Felipe.
Felipe, napakagaling mo talaga!
Alright! So ayan, narinig na natin ang ating Generation C, Generation Close-Up. Thank you so much. And thank you din syempre sa team bahay natin na nanonood. Nakikita natin yung mga comments nila. Hashtag Felipe, hashtag Choose Fresh, Choose Close-Up. Sa mga nasa team bahay, ano naman yung mga favorite scenes nyo? Let us know sa comment section kasi nagbabasa kami dito. Ayan. We can see your comments. Thank you so much sa team bahay. May mga nagko-comment. Loyal na Cecil, loyal na Don Bell, moving closer to Don Bell. Ano po yon?
I love you, Don Bell!
Ayun! I love you, Don Bell daw! Okay, babalik na ako sa work. Thank you so much guys for being so gay. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng close-up friends natin na nandito ngayon sa Market. And syempre sa lahat ng nasa team bahay. Once again, palakpakan naman natin Don Bell and Felipe! So ngayon, mabilis ang Q&A tayo sa mga ambassadors natin. Sir Felipe, ikaw naman, can you tell us yung naging experience mo na nag-shoot ka ng bagong rendition and working with Don Bell?
Of course po, I'm thankful kasi we know naman how, how big Don Bell. So, ayun po, sobrang thankful din ako sa fans dahil na-appreciate din nila yung music video. So, ayun, thank you so much sa fans ng Don Bell and of course sa kanila. And 18, C-Seos and F-Stans, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Yan, very well deserved. Don Bell naman, kayo naman, on a scale of 1 to 10, gaano kayo kinilig sa shoot nito? Unang sasagot si Donnie. 1 to 10.
1 to 10? Siyempre 10.
Yan.
Oo naman.
11.
Ay, 11 ka. Okay.
Pero gusto ko magdagdag kami, sobrang privilege din para sa amin na maka-work si Felipe kasi matagal na kaming fan talaga eh. Tsaka syempre yung SB19 and siya, alam naman namin na from the very start malayong mararating nila. Kaya to be with him here, matagal na kami magkakilala pero first time namin mag-music video. Kaya maraming salamat din sa sumuporta sa kanya at sa amin dito.
Yes!
Kasi sobrang talentado ng lalaking yan. Ayan.
Yes. Ikaw, Miss Bell, from 1 to 10, bakit naman 11 yung nasabi mo?
Hindi, sobrang ganda kasi. By the way, your rendition is so beautiful.
Yo.
Sobrang ganda. Ayun po, maraming salamat. Siyempre, 11. Kung pwede nga 100 na natin. Siyempre, sobrang nakakakilig talaga. And to be a part of the close-up family, that itself nakakakilig talaga yon.
Okay, last question na lang from Tita Boy. Okay. Don Bell, kung kayo naman, pinaka nakakakilig na scene sa music video na uulitin yung panoorin.
Yung muntik ka na mahulog, gaganinin kita.
Ako yung sa payong.
Sa payong.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe that.
Ikaw naman, Sir Felipe, bilang nag-o-observe ka, di ba sila yung nakikita natin sa music video. Ikaw naman as nanonood, ano naman yung kinilig ka nung napanood mo sa music video?
Siguro yung natapunan ng kape si Don.
Kinilig ka dun, bro, ha?
Natapunan. Feel ko sinadya parang hindi sinadya tapunan ko ng kape to para magka.
The
parang
moves
ganun
nito.
no?
Okay, ganun pala yon. Alright guys, palakpakan natin Don Bell and Felipe! Thank you so much, Don Bell. Before I let you go, meron ba kayong message sa lahat ng fans nyo na nagpunta dito today?
Wow! Grabe. You know, I actually saw that some of you really came here earlier and I saw 11 p.m. 11 p.m. Kagabi. Oh yes, 11 p.m. So,
sila.
grabe yung effort nyo, grabe yung pagmamahal ninyo. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy to see and become closer to you guys dito sa Market. So maraming salamat po.
Siyempre, na-miss po namin kayong lahat. It's super nice to see all of you here again. Maraming salamat din sa pagsuporta ng show namin na How to Spot a Red Flag. And of course, thank you so much to our Close-Up family for having us here.
Close-Up.
Thank you din sa pa-cake nyo at pag-greeting nyo kanina. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. At maraming salamat din kay Philippe for joining us here on stage. Yeah.
All right, happy birthday once again, advance happy birthday, Donnie. Thank you so much, Don Bell, for joining us. Guys, palakpakan natin, Don Bell! Thank you. Thank you so much, Donnie and Belle. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman, naiwan tayo dito with Philippe, di ba? Philippe, kamusta ka naman so far dito sa event with Close Up?
Ang saya ko po kasi parang feeling ko ang tagal na hindi ko sila nakita eh. So, sobrang excited lang ako kanina before pumunta dito. Kasi finally, last year kasi medyo hindi kami masyado nagkikita. So, ayun, sobrang malaki yung pasasalamat ko kay Close Up kasi nakita ko ulit yung mga fans ko, gano'n.
Yes.
Tapos ma-meet ko yung mga fans ng Don Bell, which is very supportive, especially sa bagong kanta ng Close Up. And yeah, I was just so overwhelmed.
Yes, and alam mo, Sir Philippe, I'm sure, nire-represent ko lahat ng nandito ngayon na lahat sila gusto sabihing, deserve mo yan and congratulations
Maraming salamat po.
sa napakagandang rendition, di ba? Tama ba ako doon sa lahat ng CCO?
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Gusto niyo ba marinig mag-perform si Sir Philippe?
Ito na.
Ikaw ba gusto mo mag-perform for them?
Yeah. Sobra, yeah.
Alright, guys. Kailangan ramdam natin yung energy kapag nag-perform si Philippe, ha? Before everything, choose fresh! Choose fresh! Choose fresh! Alright! Sobrang nakakakilig talaga. Close Up truly made us feel so confident and in love. Kahit man single tayo or in a relationship kasi you can get all-day freshness and bacteria-fighting protection for up to 12 hours. And with that, we would like to thank everyone for being with us today. Pero ready na ba kayo sa performance ni Philippe? Ready ka?
Yep.
Guys, bigyan nyo ng energy, ah. Sabay-sabay tayo sumigaw, ah. Let's give it up for the very talented Philippe!
Thank you. Are you guys ready? Yeah, I know alam niyo tong kanta na to. So, alam niyo yung words. Sabayan niyo ako.
When you smile, everything's in place. I've waited for so long, can make no mistake. All I am, reaching out to you. I can't be scared, but make a move. Won't be come with me. Keep me close, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. No, take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. I thought that I'd breathe the air, spinning around your atmosphere. I hold my breath insecure, break my heart, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh moment. I'm moving closer, yeah. I'm moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. Is the moment. I'm moving closer, yeah. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Advance happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Be happy always, stay strong. Thank you, 18. Thank you, Sisus. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dumbbell fans. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Give it up for Philip! Grabe, intense talaga with Donbell and Philip, guys! Nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Close Up truly made us feel so confident and in love kahit man single tayo or in a relationship kasi you can get all-day freshness and bacteria-fighting protection for up to 12 hours. Guys, thank you so much for being with us today and for sharing your intense love for Donbell and Philip. Maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng nasa team bahay na sumuporta sa atin kahit nasa malayong lugar sila. We would also like to thank Lola Feli. Lola Feli, maraming salamat po for being with us here today. And galing pa po siyang Iloilo at pupunta talaga siya rito para lang makisaya sa atin. And of course, nakita ang Donbell. Lahat. This has been your host. Maraming salamat. Generation C, this has been your host. Ang inyong verb is an action word from Pigag and Walmali. Ako po si Erica Lucas. Thank you so much for being so game today. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano ko kinabahan sa araw na to. Thank you so much, and this has been Close Up presents Moving Closer MV Watch Party! Bye mga verb! Thank you po! Thank you so much, Close Up! Thank you mga sisiw! Thank you 18! Thank you Bubblies! Mga verb, open yung booths natin dito sa Market until mall hours. So hanggang open po yung mall natin. You guys can enjoy our booth from Close Up. Please po, pumunta po tayo dito sa Market. And don't forget to use our official hashtags. Hashtag Choose Fresh, hashtag Choose Close Up, hashtag Close Up X Donbell, and hashtag Close Up X Philip. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you!
You smile, everything's in place. I've waited for so long, can make no mistake.
reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make a move. We'll be young, come away with me. Keep me close, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Who'd have thought that I'd breathe the air, spinning around your atmosphere? Hold my breath, falling into you. Break my heart, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start.